You think a doctor was careless and caused you harm, and now you bring a lawsuit seeking compensation for the harms and injuries you suffered. Do you know what the most important part of your case is? You want to know the answer? Come join me as I share with you this great information. Hi, I'm Jerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer practicing law here in the state of New York. You're going to say that the doctor lied, and as a result of the doctor lying, you now made certain choices, you now did certain things that went ahead with certain treatment plans. And guess what? You're going to claim that you suffered significant injury. Your entire goal, your thinking, your mentality is, hey, if I can show to the jury that the doctor was lying, that the set of facts are more likely in our favor, we're going to win our case. Well, let me share something with you that may be eye-opening and revealing. The entire focus of your entire case is not the facts. The entire focus of your entire case is not the law. The entire focus of your case, where you are claiming you suffered significant harm and injury because of a doctor's negligence, a doctor's carelessness, is your credibility. Credibility is everything in your trial. Who does the jury believe at the end of the case? They are the triers of fact. The jury has to determine who is more likely right than wrong. Is it you, the injured victim, is more likely right than wrong? Or is it the doctor, is it the hospital staff that is more likely right than wrong? It is our goal, representing an injured victim, to show to the jury that we are more likely right than wrong, that the doctor may not have disclosed all the information necessary in order to allow you the opportunity to make an informed decision about what type of treatment you need to receive. If the jury believes that you are more likely right than wrong, all we have to do is tip the scales ever so slightly to show that we are more likely right than wrong. We don't have to be there for weeks, and the jury doesn't have to sit there for weeks on end, making 100% sure that what we are saying is true. But if you do something to destroy your credibility, the jury's going to take it out on you. And now the scales are going to tip in favor of the doctor, in favor of the hospital. But on the other hand, if the doctor has lied, if the doctor has contradicted himself, if the jury doesn't believe the doctor, now the scales of justice will tip in your favor. So credibility, in my opinion, is the most important component of any civil lawsuit, whether it's a car accident case, whether it's a medical malpractice case, or even a wrongful death case here in the state of New York. So why do I share this great information with you? I share it with you just to give you a sense of what goes on in these types of civil lawsuits here in the state of New York. You know, chances are you're watching this because you've got questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter happened here in New York and you're contemplating bringing a lawsuit and you've got questions, what I encourage you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, there's something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Jerry, G-E-R-R-Y, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Jerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.